This is Let God Sort 'Em Out by Clipse. If you wanted to make an album cover like this, how would you even do it? How? You would draw. Hello humans. A bunch of people asked for Let God Sort 'Em Out. TK is cool 1A and My World 9110. Either draw or Photoshop. Photoshop is the old way. There's no real things in here. So let's get a bunch of bones. Let's get the skull icon, which is for somebody called Cows. I was gonna draw the skull, but I could just find it for free online. How nice. Who's Cows? KWS. I see that as cows. Anyway, after getting the cow's head and cow's gloves, I then arrange. It turns out I can do this. I arranged the pictures nicely. I got these bones from online, so I have to make them like white in the background. But now they're all like aligned and together. After that, the background is like just grain. It's just a grain background. So apply a filter, put grain on it. I found the right grain. After then, separate the gloves from that are not grainy from the ones that are grainy. It's just color matching. It's literally just color matching at this point. So I color matched everything. Here's the final photo. Listen, if you look at the picture, there are splots like these like parts where it's because less is like discolored. I was gonna spend time and like make it match, and then I realized why kill myself? This is good enough, isn't it? This is a 9 out of 10. Let me know if I'm wrong. I think I did a good job. So there you have it. This is Let God Sort 'Em Out by Clipse. Until next time, have a nice day.